Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gadget Lover, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing of OPPO A17 smartphone, and if available I have provided its buy link in description area below, and some best gear links are also available in my description area below, so just go there and see it. So now quickly I'm going to open it up. Okay, so you can see in top we get this small box, and if we see inside it, so here we get the SIM ejector tool, some reading manuals and warranty cards, and this is the transparent back case, so keep this aside. And guys, you can see here's the phone itself. Over there you can see here's the phone itself. Just remove it from this plastic cover, so you can see here's the phone itself. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the micro USB to USB cable, and this is the charger, which will give you 5 volt 2 ampere, so it is not a fast charger. Okay, so that's all we get in the box. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So you can see guys, here's the phone itself. Okay, if we talk about design, its body and design, the thickness of this phone is 8.29 mm and the weight is 189 gram. And if we talk about the color, it is midnight black color, and the sunlight orange color is also available. And if we talk about the body and design, it's made by premium leather field design with fox leather handset wrap. Here you can see, which is premium. Here you can see it looks premium. Over there you can see as the premium design. Here you can see the AI camera. It has dual rear camera, 50 megapixel AI camera, with you can see over there with portrait camera over there also available with LED flash on top, and you can see the AI camera, and here's the branding of OPPO. So if we talk about its physical overview, so in top we get nothing, and on this side we get the side mounted fingerprint with the power on off key. This is the volume up and down key, and on bottom it has a 3.5 mm headphone jack. This is a dual main microphone, micro USB port, and this is the main speakers. And on this side we get the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it, see what specification we get out of it. So guys, here's the triple card slot. We can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card up to 1 TB, which is a really good thing. And you can see on back dual rear camera setup, and on front it has 5 megapixel front camera on top, and it has 6.56 inches HD plus color rich eye care display. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So you can see I have set up the device. This is the main screen of OPPO A17 smartphone. As I said, it has a color rich eye care display, and it also has ultra volume mode. You can see it has ultra volume mode, and guys, if you talk about the cover glass, it has a panda glass protection on front. You can see, which is a really good thing. And you can see if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top, here we get the notification center, and helpful quick settings are also available there. Okay, so now quickly go to settings, and if we check about the device information, so you can see a device name, and then you can see the storage 21.6 GB used out of 64 GB, and here you can see it has a MediaTek Helio G35 processor with IMG GE8320 GPU, and the color OS version is version 12.1.1. And if we talk about the RAM technology, you can see it has extended 4 GB RAM technology feature available, which is a really good thing. And if we go back, the Android version, okay, it is running on Android version 12. It is running on latest Android version 12. and the security is of 5 August 2022. And here we get the version, legal information, status, instructions, and experience improvement programs over there also available. You can see. So as you can see, if we talk about the UI, here you can see it is running really smooth. There's no doubt the UI running really smooth. And if we talk about the display, you can see guys, it has really a eye care display. You can protect your eyes. It's the protective eye care display you get in the phone. Here you can see. Okay, now after it, if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with OPPO A17 smartphone in different lighting conditions with different modes. Okay, now if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, so now quickly check this out. If we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, I put the finger and you can see it unlock the phone. I put and you can see it unlock the phone. Just firm touch like this to unlock your phone quickly. You can see just quickly the firm touch to unlock the phone like this. I firm touch like this and the phone unlock. So as you can see guys, the side mounted fingerprint is fast and responsive, you can see. And if we talk about its face unlock performance, I see and it unlock the phone, you can see. Okay, I'm not seeing. I look at the phone and phone unlock itself. So as you can see, both are really fast and responsive, you can see. I firm touch like this and it unlock the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO A17 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.